All right, guys, machine here. We have a Volkswagen cluster. Let's say it's out of a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. Let's say it's all keys lost and we were going to use our ADC-219. We're trying to figure out where we're going to need to pogo pin where on our cluster here. So what I do, we tell people, get the orientation of the cluster where you can read it. So as you can see here, we can see the numbers. We can see them upright, left to right. We can read, it says Singapore here. It's kind of hard to see, but you get the point of it. So you do it regardless of which way this is facing on the cluster. We turn it so we can read it. Once we can read letters, numbers correctly, we go to the top right of that orientation. So top right is going to be up here. So I'm going to slide this over so you can see on the screen. But obviously the cluster's sideways, upside down, every which way, who cares? We can read the orientation of the letters and numbers on our processor. We're going to slide this to the top right. Okay. We have our top right here. So once we're at the top right of our processor, we're going to count down 6 pins or 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there, I'm going to follow this trace because that's going to be really hard to pin out on the leg of the processor. So we'll follow this trace, which is our line under our board here. So follow this. This line goes across, goes right here. You can pogo pin here, or as you can see, it loops around and go up here. So if you want to put the pogo pin in the hole, you can go to this top one right here, or you can use this one right here. Either one of those branch off from the 6th pin. So you can use that or that. So if I was pogo pinning this out, let's see if we can do it. We could go here, or we could go here. So hopefully that answers some questions about Volkswagen when using the 219 cable, doing all keys lost. Again, this video is brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.